Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable provider search with Cigna step by step clearly. To enable provider search with Cigna, begin by visiting the official Cigna website. Once on the home page, locate the Find a Doctor link. Click on Find a Doctor to open the search tool. You will see various options for searching for providers. Select the type of provider you are looking for, such as a primary care physician or specialist. Next, enter your location details in the designated fields. Input your zip code or city and state for precise results. If applicable, specify your health plan type to filter providers accordingly. After entering your information, click the Search button. The results page will display a list of providers based on your criteria. You can further refine your search with additional filters if needed. Review the list of providers and choose one that suits your needs. Click on a provider's name to view more details about their services. Here, you will find information on their location, specialties, and contact details. If you need to, save or print the information for future reference. For additional assistance, consider reaching out to Cigna's customer support. Follow up with your chosen provider to confirm network participation and availability. This process ensures you can easily find a provider that's right for you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.